So a student has turned in work to me, and I need to assess what to give them for a score for their competency-based assignment. So the first thing I want to do is look for the continuum to rate that. I'm doing a science continuum. Today, the task I'm doing, we're looking at 3.1, which I already have pulled up for us here. So in my task dashboard, I've already assigned something. So whether it's a scenario like this where I have no ratings, it says in A, or if it's a scenario where I just need to reassess how a student did. So right now this student has an M, but I'm reassessing, and that's what we're doing for this one right now. I need to look at the work in the continuum to make that determination. So right off the bat, you'll notice the continuum goes all the way down to a 2. We do not rate below a 5. So I'm never going to give a student a rating of a 2 or a 4. If they are at a 2 or a 4, I'm going to mark it, like I did on this one, as an M and give it back to them to redo. So let's say they've now redone it and they've turned it into me. And I can see that they have very clearly developed a simple model that illustrates the nature or design system. They've done a great job of this one. I can select materials or tools that help me accurately represent the entire system that I'm modeling. It's also true that they did that. So they've done everything to earn a 6. If they attempted nothing beyond this, that would be their score of 6. But let's say they did more. What's different between a 6 and an 8 is always highlighted or marked in bold, so you know the difference. I can look at these again, but understand that these two are these two. So what's different? My model represents different parts of the system and show how they interact with one another. So let's say that their model did represent the different parts, but not how they interact with one another. So that's not completely true to be an 8. But they did part of it, and they did everything to earn the 6, so that would be a 7. Notice that's between the 6 and the 8. That's how I'd mark a 7. If, however, they did do all of this, then it would be an 8. So now, I'm going to assume that their model had the different parts, but that it didn't show how they interact with one another. So that is technically a 7. I'm going to go to the assignment. It was marked an M before. I'm now going to mark it as a 7. And I'm going to save that assignment. Don't forget to mark it complete and save that assignment. And now that student is going to show on their progress report that it's done, and that score will be updated in real time. Understand that if I need to do something lower than a 5, if I need to do that M, you click on the NA to get to that. And that's how you rate things on the continuum. I hope this was helpful. Thanks.